Hey everybody, welcome back to Projects with Paul. Today I'm down here at my property, which is around the corner from my project house. I come down to do some work on the house and cut the grass. So I decided to ride over here on the lawnmower and cut the grass on the property. So I'm going to give you a little tour. I'll get turned around here. The road's in front of me, the property's behind me. You can see it over my shoulder. I'm going to get turned around here and we'll drive back in the back and talk about it a little bit. Okay, this is 4 acres of land we bought about 2.5 years ago. And already had this big clearing out here towards the back. I've been down here taking up some more trees. Progress kind of slowed down on this when we bought the other house, so we still plan on doing something out here. The new house is literally through those woods there on the other side of those houses, so it's really close. But I've been clearing some trees. Talking about maybe doing like a small container house, Airbnb or something like that. Also use it as a guest house when family and friends come over. And that's it. It's still got a lot of woods on it, a lot of trees. We'll probably leave most of that. And it goes probably another 100 yards or so past that tree line towards the back of the property line. Fairly level. See a few little small hills right here. I've been using this particular spot to dig out some dirt, use it in other areas, help smooth out this area. I need to burn that. This is the reason I built that water tank with the catch basin on it, so I could bring it down here and have some water, so when I do burn this pile, I can kind of keep it under control if I need to. Put it out when I leave, don't want to leave it burning. So I still need to bring that down here and get it filled up. But so we're going to take a ride back over to the project house, and I'll show you some progress, some of the stuff I've done here the last few days. And let me get going. Alright, so this is a road I turned on, and there's the house. So if you look across the street, behind that house is my property. So just go out that road, make a left, and then a left right into the property. So we came down today, got the grass cut. It was pretty tall. Been getting a lot of rain off and on, and then the heat, man, that grass just takes off. Go in the house and show you what I've been doing. Feels good in here. Alright, so these are the new doors for the bathroom. There's 2 closets in the bathroom. They're just pre-hung. I still got to take the old bathroom doors out, but I got all the bedroom doors out. And the bedroom closet doors are out. So these are the new ones. Pre-hung 2-panel round top. Still got some work to do in here. I got the new plumbing in for the shower valve. So I need to get the new tub and tub surround in here. I still want to treat this floor. I bought some stuff to treat the floor with. Still need to take out the door frame for the master. These are out, ready to go. We've been storing all our new stuff in the closets, get them up off the floor so when the guys come and do the floors, won't be nothing in their way. And that's where we're at. I got a piece of sheetrock there so I can repair these areas where I took out the wall. I think that'll be for tomorrow. And that's about it. I actually got a buddy of mine coming down to hang all the doors for me. He's good at it. He's a professional and he could use the work. And that'll allow me to go to work and make some money to pay him, so it works out. I have done these pre-hungs before. There's 8 of them and he'll knock them out in one day. And we're got a little bit of a time crunch. We want to get the doors in, get everything painted inside, and then get the flooring down. And once the flooring's down, I can start in the kitchen. The kitchen's my project. I've got to do that. And once that kitchen's done, we can start moving stuff down here. So there you have it. Yes, it's really me. I shaved, cleaned myself up a little bit, had to go back to work. So thanks for watching. Keep you updated on the progress and catch you next time. Bye.